Hey y'all, if you guys are looking to make a really beautiful birthday cake for your child off of a store brand cake just like this one, this is just a plain blue and white birthday cake that I got at my local fry store. So we turned this birthday cake into an Among Us birthday cake, and I will show you step by step. So this is what it looks like before. And this is the afterwards. As you can see, all the Among Us. I bought all these stuff on Amazon, and I will definitely link all the details in the description so you can purchase this if you want to make your cake look like this. So let's go on and move our way to on how to do this. Alright, so this is our standard cake that we had received or purchased at Fry's. This is your standard birthday cake. It does say happy birthday in blue. It's got the frosting at the top and at the bottom. So what we want to do is we want to take all these little frosting flowers on the top. We want to remove that, as well as the frosting at the bottom. So what we did was we melted the frosting from the top and the bottom. We're just going to use that frosting to go around the cake to give it like the space effect. So we'll take all the blue all the way around the sides of the cake as well as on top of the cake. Just keep spreading that evenly. So now that we got it all spreaded around the top and on the sides, we want to just finish it off to get that space looking like the comet and everything. So we'll do a little swirls at the top, finish it up on the sides. So when I decided to do this cake, I took two different cakes and merged it into one. I did see one that has a Kit Kat cake where they actually use the Kit Kats all the way around, and in the other cake it was just a regular Among Us cake. So I took both designs and made it in one. So I decided to do blue, that way it'll look like the solar system. So you can see with these little swirls right here. Next we're going to do is put all the Kit Kats around. So we'll do them right next to each other, make sure that they fit. Making sure that we're not putting any in the front, because this is where I'm going to do my drawing design, because this is the imposter cake, so I will be putting imposter in the front. So we're just going to do a round on the back. And you want to make sure you have your Kit Kats nice and tight and squeezed up to the frosting or they will fall out. So make sure they are tight around, push them in toward the cake. So just go all the way around, checking to make sure that they are straight. Just make them as straight as you can. Some of mine were cut the wrong way. So just get them as nicely as you can. So at the bottom here you can see this cake little cardboard. I actually picked these ones up online, and I will link that as well. So it looks like the stars. So right here we do have the Among Us set. This has all different Among Us. The different colors. You've got your orange, your purple, your blues, your greens, your reds, your pinks. So these are individually wrapped. So like this one here has a hat. Some of them do have top hats. Some of them have horns. Some have deer horns. Some don't have any top hats. This one already has something in it. This one here has like a little hat for the top. So each one of these have something. And I'm going to use these for the cake as part of the cake decorations. This comes in a whole set. So everything you see here comes in this one set. And this is what you get. Alright, so now we have the cake topper. This is the Among Us Not Me Happy Birthday cake topper. It does come with a cardboard in the back to make sure that it doesn't get squished. It has a little alien ship at the top and a couple dead body Among Us. And this is what it looks like in the back. It's silver. This one says Not Me. So now we're going to put the cake topper at the top. This is what it looks like when it's completely covered with blue frosting. So now we're just going to add our little pearl beads as well as our little stars. So this is our white pearl beads. We're going to put some in the front. Careful because these are very slippery and they do pop out. So we'll just put some at the front right here. And then with some red frosting, I put in imposter. Some blue and red at the bottom of the pan part. I'm going to put Noah in red and blue. So we're just going to finish off with the pearls and stars. So we have Noah number 9. And we have imposters all over here. See all the Among Us. You have where you could take the tops off from the bottom. You can see the bones. You have the top hats. We just added them all the way around and as well on top. So these pearls are actually edible as well as the stars. They're all edible. So this just gives the finishing touches. And then we decided to do the red and blue for Noah. And then we just put the Among Us all the way around next to the Kit Kats and some stars to make it look a lot more festival. And then we put our candles a little bit on the side and up on the top on the curve so it doesn't burn the happy birthday sign. So what we did was take our local grocery store birthday cake and turn it into this Among Us fantastic birthday cake. As you can see through the whole video, it was super easy. All we did was remove a couple of the frosting at the top and the sign. We used the frosting color to color around the cake, some Among Us toys around it, and we just threw some stuff on. So this is how we made our grocery store into our Among Us birthday cake.
Imposter.
Noah is the imposter!
Noah is the imposter! That is so cool. I like it.
So tell me what you have.
This is what I have. It has the little dead body right here, the little Among Us.
Did you see the back?
Oh my god, Kit Kat. Kit Kat, Kit Kat, Kit Kat.
Kit Kats.
Not me. Happy birthday.
So here's another dead body.
A little dead body.
And there's one in the back.
One in the back. Little Among Us fall on the ground.
You see the blue one? He's got his bones right there.
Yeah.
You got one that's got a little antler. Turn it around, face the camera. Did you see the little stars?
Stars. Oh yeah, that looks so good.
See the little crown and the hat? What is that?
That is.
There's another one right here, and another one right there, and another one right there,
That's so.
and another one back here.
That's so cool.
And you know what those are?
Stars.
Among Us.
Those are actually toys.
Toys? What? Among Us toys?
Look at that.
That is
Wow.
so cool. I can play Among Us in real life. That is so
That,
awesome.
isn't that neat? Now what does this say? Noah G, but somebody
9.
smashed it.
That's 9.
Noah 9.
Noah 9.
You're 9 years old today, and you had 9 candles.
Yeah. Want me to show you the cool thing about them is that you can put a little pack on them because they have little things.
So here's one of your birthday gifts.
Oh my god, don't mess with the toys. Whoa!
Oh, those are awesome, huh?
Among Us straws. That is so cool. I can use
Where is
this
the
to
finger?
I can use this.
Get them?
So he's got one more, and he's got a few more coming. In a couple days.
Hurry, let me see. Whoa! Among Us game.
That is so cool.
3D, what is it?
3D nightlight, it says.
Ah!
So it's 3D nightlight.
I'll get the BLANKET.
Did you see what it is?
Come on!
It's a dolphin.
Come on up! Hurry up!
What else to be? Oh wait, it's a remote.
Oh, no. There's something else in there.
What is in there? There's nothing else?
It's in that paper. Look in the paper. Be careful. Other side.
It's
There you go.
Among Us. Oh my
And it goes like this.
god, that is so cool!
Nope.
Wait,
Yep.
there's more in this?
Hold on a second.
I'm gonna, okay. So we have this thing. We actually bought this, or somebody did give us to this. So I'm guessing
You have the remote.
Grab the remote, okay.
Then you take the plastic off.
It's a tiny little remote. It's like a tiny little remote and it has these little colors. It's so cool. It's wireless. You got a way antenna. Puts it on. And then you turn it on. And you set it. How does it work?
How come it's not?
Okay, so right here it comes off. So right here it comes with the little remote.
Let me see.
You gotta
Okay.
click on, and there it is.
Change it.
Turn it blue. Turn off the light so we can. You have to. Guys, that is so cool. Let's take a picture.
Change your color. You got all those colors. You got red, blue, green.
You gotta be real careful with that because it's really, ooh,
so cool.
that's cool.
Do. Wait, just a little thing.
Red, blue.
You got red, blue, green. Do you have yellow?
No, I don't have yellow. It's only just red, green, and blue. That's just
So you got intensity where it's really, really bright. And you got somewhere it turns it down low.
I just do that.
Please welcome
Not
to
getting
our main family.
more. And that's so cool. And then the pasta kills it and blah blah. And then to make it back to a body, put it back up. It's so awesome. And blah.
Please welcome to the image on the myth.
So cool. I have like many things. I had those simple dimple things that I was playing with, acting like it was like a real Among Us thing. Now I can use these. The other thing, you see it. Blah. And then it just the body. Blah.
Is it in the phone?
And then here comes purple. Supporting the body.
There we go.
SK.
So that's all your Minion birthday gift.
Among Us birthday gift.
Almost.
I mean Minion. Among Us.
Among Us, I mean it.
Here's the ones with the horns, the deer horns. This is the ones with
Cake.
yeah, the cake on it. Here's another little guy. And another little guy. Whoops.
Top hat.
Here's the top hat.
There's another hot thing. The birthday things is good.
And some more. And some more. We'll just leave that little guy right there. And what is that?
Hat.
No, there's the crown. There's like a pacifier. And here's like a
Pacifier?
flower or something.
Passive flower. They go in the mouth.
There.
Look at all your Among
Oh my God,
Us.
it's a crown.
Mm-hmm. Whoops, Nana's knocking them all down. Noah.
It's so cool. Wait, so I just realized it's upside down. I like it. Thumbs up and subscribe.
Happy birthday, big boy.
Yay!
How old are you today?
Birthday.
9.
9 big ones. Woo! That's 9 spankings.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to like, or else Among Us will come to your house and don't forget to check out my website at noinitiativemeasures.com, or else you'll be dead. It won't work.
Hey, how about this? There you go. Boom.
You like this. Bye.